Hey guys, we made it to Maravanthe beach. The temperature seems to be 100 degrees Celsius. We are getting roasted. It's damn hot. And look at the waves. They have so much force in them. So we all were feeling very tired. Morning we didn't have anything to eat. So we stopped here by the beach. We quickly had some gobi and vada pav. And there is also one river that flows that side of the road. I will show that to you guys.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second.
So this side you see the beach and this side is the river. So we are passing through Kundapura. I personally like Kundapura Kannada. It is very soothing to your ears, very melodious to listen to them to speak. I don't know what else is famous here. If you guys know something about this place, please do let me know in the comment section. So Udupi is very close from here. It's just 15 kilometers. I have one of my close friend who stays in Udupi. I wish I could just go tell her hi. And throughout the way there are so many rivers and bridges like this. I think I've crossed 10 bridges till now. We are almost near the foothills of Western Ghats. We are almost about to enter. These roads are really nice. Both the sides you see trees and bushes full of greenery.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
there's a checkpost here. Let's see what happens. So we have reached Kudremukha. They have stopped us at this checkpost. We had to register our names. Given this pass, when we are exiting, we have to show them this. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Wishing you all a good morning from a beautiful place called Kudremukha. So the name of this homestay is Riverside. So if you guys have any plans of coming to Kudremukha, you can check out this place. And this place is somewhere around 2 kilometers from the main road. It's a bit of off-roading that you have to take. And guys, I think I mentioned the homestay name as Riverside, but it's actually River Edge. So it's River Edge Homestay. It's near Kalasa. And I had a bit of trouble starting the vehicle because since the weather is very chilly over here, the engine takes some time to heat up. So this is the off-roading path that I was talking about. So right now me and Hari are heading out to explore the place. We will be going to a waterfall. The others decided to stay back because they were all tired from the ride that we are doing from past 3 days. So this would be the 4th day, final day, and we'll be heading back to Bangalore today. So Kudremukha is considered to be one of the beautiful hill stations that we have here in South India, and you can trek to the mountain peak as well. I have plans of going there most probably in the month of September or October, which is the right month to trek because the scenery would be really nice. The mountains will be lush green. So anywhere between September to December is the right time to visit Kudremukha. So if you guys also want to join me, please do connect with me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram ID in the description. Please do follow me there and DM me if you are interested to join. And also, if you haven't checked out my previous videos here on YouTube, please do, because this is a 4-day trip and uploading a lengthy video will be too boring to watch. So I've cut short into parts. Mostly this would be the third video or the fourth video because we are heading out to Bangalore today. And kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done already. I'll make sure to give you guys good contents like these. You know? ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಶೋಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜರ್ಕಿನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಸಿಂದಾರ ರಾಮಪಂಚಾಯತಿಲಿ ಮುಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟಾರ.
ಛತ್ರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಲರು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ನಂಗೆ ಕೋಳಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ
I don't know, that female randomly came and spoke to me something which I didn't understand. Don't take me wrong, guys, I wasn't flirting with that female. You two stop recording.
ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳ ಇದೆ, ಹಳ್ಳದ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀಚು. ಈ ವೈಟ್ ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರೋಡ್. ಸುರ್ಮನೆ ಇದು ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಮನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇದು. ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೆ, ಸೂರ್ಮನೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೆ, ಒಂದೇ. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. 60 rupees, ನಾವು 30 rupees ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇದೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು 30 rupees ಮೇಲೆ
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೂರ್ಮನೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ.
ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೆಸರೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದೇನೋ ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೂ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ABBU GU ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೂರ್ಮನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ನಿಜವಾದ ಹೆಸರು ಅಬ್ಬುಗುಡಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಯಾರೋ ಸೂರ್ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. Fuck. Almost dropped. This is what I was talking about. You need to be extra careful when you're riding on these slushy roads. Luckily I was able to control and didn't fall down. Now also it's slipping a lot even though I'm like going in a low speed. Bro, I almost fell there. Okay, the parking is here. We just parked our bikes back there. Now we are going on foot to reach the falls. Look at this, how slushy the road is. I seriously did a mistake wearing slippers. And I've already got my leech bites. This is truly like an adventure. I really miss my trekking gear right now. Wish I had them. I think we'll have to cross this river that is flowing to reach the falls. I'm just being extra careful with my grip because I'm wearing slippers and not shoes. Look at this, guys. Very beautiful. So there was a signboard there which said 100 meters to the falls. So I think we'll have to walk this way. We seriously didn't know that even trekking would be involved. We just wanted to explore places and just go for a sightseeing. But then we are like trekking now. I can see the falls there.